Hi friends, thanks for clicking and welcome to Easy English channel. In today's session of Poetic Device, we are going to talk about difference between synecdoche and metonymy. They both are figure of speech and they have got different roles in different poems and stanzas of any poetry. So let's start with today's session, friends. Synecdoche, it is a figure of speech where a part of something is used to portray the entire entity or vice versa. So synecdoche is a figure of speech where you can take a single word to explain the entire community, entire thing, which you can understand by these examples. Check out my new wheels. This example, check out my new wheels, basically it talks about the complete vehicle or complete car. The other name of car is set of wheels. So here wheels is referring to a complete vehicle. So it is called synecdoche. Let's take second example. England. England lost by 3 wickets in the last match. So here England is referring to the cricket team, whereas England is entire country, entire place. So in these two examples you are referring the complete thing, complete entity with the help of single word. So I hope you have got the real meaning of synecdoche. Now let's move to second one. Metonymy. Metonymy is also a figure of speech where an object is referred to as something closely associated with it. That means metonymy is a word which refers to something by a single word which is closely connected or closely associated with the real thing. Now we can see it with these two examples. The suits took more from him during the hearing than his wife would after the divorce. That means here they are talking about the lawyer. The lawyer took more charge from the applicant in comparison to the wife who took amount of money after the divorce. Now look at the second example. Rumors about a hired gun having been ordered for assassination were rampant. Here rumors about a hired gun. Here gun is referring to a person also, like who has been appointed for doing some assassination. The meaning of assassination is political murder. So this is called a metonymy. Now let's figure out the basic synecdoche and metonymy are the figure of speech. Now let's take the slighter difference of both these parts. It is a device that uses a part of something to represent the whole community or represent the whole thing. You can take these examples. Bread is considered food or money both. Bread is food, you know it, but sometimes it is referred to as a money. You might have heard people saying that I have to earn my bread and butter. That means they are talking about the money which they are going to earn from their work. Next is sales. Ship. Sales, ship. So ship, sales is a part of ship. Then glasses, spectacles. Dish, food. So I hope you have understood the entire concept of synecdoche. Next is metonymy. Metonymy is a device where something is referred by a name of things or concept related to it. That means something is referred, something is explained by the word which is closely associated or connected with that thing. For an example, press, journalist. So press is connected to journalist, or you can say that journalists are already connected to press. Then bench, court, judge. When you talk about bench, that means judge and court both are referred to it. Then head, intelligence. So there is a slighter difference between these two figure of speech, synecdoche and metonymy. Synecdoche is a word which takes the entire community in it, whereas metonymy It refers to the names of some things which are closely associated with it. So I hope you have got the difference between these two figure of speech, friends. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Easy English channel to get latest videos on your screen, and you can write down on comment section for any queries and doubts. I would love to hear from you, and if you want me to upload any videos on any topic, please do write down on comment section. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself.